Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do our last tinies for the month of September, and we're also going to do our monthlies. But we're going to go ahead and get started. I have $20. We have an extra $5 we're going to put into our tinies to try to wrap it up. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We're going to go ahead and put this in our bank in the back. So we're pushing through, trying to get everything done that we can for the end of the month. Okay, perfect. All right, so I did make sure I turned something around. So I'm going to do I have $20 in our prop coins. And I'm going to go ahead and do a 3-sided die, and we're just gonna get started. So we are in the home stretch of September. I cannot believe that it is almost over. It's our last day in September. So I am excited to see I'm excited to do this reallocation video to see how many savings challenges we were able to finish and how much we were able to save total. So this is exciting because normally before I started filming, I would reallocate them at the end of like the pay period because I only get paid twice a month. So I just didn't want to sit there. I just didn't want that money to sit there. I wanted to play with it, put it into my bigger savings challenges or other sinking funds that we might need to fund. So it'll be exciting to see. I think we got a few $100s finished worth of savings challenges, and that will be awesome to go towards some of our longer savings challenges and some of our sinking funds that we might need to fund right away. But I think we are pretty good with any savings challenges that need to be, or sinking funds that need to be funded right away. So I think we'll be able to reallocate them to our bigger binders with our sinking funds challenges, if that makes any sense. I don't even know. Just kind of blabbering at this point. Alright, you guys, so how's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's weekend was fantastic. I know ours was same weekend, different day, chores, laundry, all that adulting, not so fun stuff. All right, we have we have one more, so that will go in number 5. And we'll move our thing to number 6. All right, let's get started. Let's see how many we can finish today. That's a lot. All right, so challenge number 1 is from Budgeting with Lisa. It got, let's see. All right, so we got $1, $2, $3. And that will finish this one. Well, one's done. All right, let's go ahead and we'll put in a new one. And this one is from Budget Your Life. And let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go with 50 cents each. All right, and that will be for next month. All right, challenge number 2 is, let me move this out of the way, sorry, is from Budgeting with Kim. And it saved us $1.50. So we have, these are 50 cents. So we have 1, 2, and $1.50. All right, so we just need 25 more cents to finish that one. So we'll finish that one next week for sure. All right, and challenge number 3 is one from my Etsy. And it has saved us $2.25. So we have, that's $1 and $2. and then half of one. All right, perfect. Ooh, okay. All right. We have challenge number 4. Got a big stack, and this one is from Norellis Budgets. And today we saved $2.25, and each one of these are 50. So we have $1, $2, and that one just needed 25 cents to finish. That one will be finished next week then. All right, and challenge number 5. I'm kind of sad we only got one finished so far. We're almost done. And this one is also from Budget Your Life, but this one is going to save us $12 altogether. So this one is going to take us a hot minute. All right, and this one saved us $2.75. Okay, so we got that. That's our 25, 50, and then $1 and $2. We are almost halfway on this one. All right, so hopefully everybody's doing well. Are we excited that it is spooky season? I mean, I am. I love Halloween. That's my favorite holiday. All right, and this one is also from Norellis Budgets. All right, so we have $2, and so we can take that one off. So that's okay. So it's $1 and then $2. So that one just needs 50 cents to finish. So we'll definitely be finishing a lot next week instead of this week, but that is okay. That will just get us a better savings for, oh, this won't be done. So this one just needed 50 cents, but we will see how much it saved us all together. All right, so this one saved us $1, $2, $3. Perfect. So it just needed 50 cents. So that one saved us $4. Let's put our 50 cents up so we don't get it mixed up. All right, let's get another one. Let's try to get something different. Do we have a Halloween one? No, I need a Halloween one, you guys. Stand by, let me find a Halloween one. All right, here's a Halloween one from Norellis Budgets. So we have $1, $2, $2.50. Each one of these is going to be 50 cents. So we have $1, $2, $50. $1, $2, and $2.50. And that one just needs 50 cents to finish her up next week. And that extra $5, I feel like definitely helped us out a lot. So this one is also on my Etsy. All right, so we have saved $1, $2, $3. That's more than enough for what we needed here. So that is $1. We'll put that over there. And then this one just needed 25 cents. So, and this one was $1, $2, $3, and $4. So we finished a couple, so that's good. I'm happy about that. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead. This one is Budgeting with Lisa. It is her milkweed, plant milkweed for monarchs. So that has 8 spaces. So let's do 50 cents. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. And then half of one. Perfect. And I think that's our last one. It sure is. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish these. All right, so total we have 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So we'll go ahead and put 10 and 11. And that will be it for our savings challenges for our tinies. Let me get that all sorted out. Okay. All right, so that is it for our tinies. So I'm excited about that. All right, guys, I apologize. That took a little bit longer, but it was just seconds, milliseconds for you guys. So today we are going to have 4-hour monthlies, so we can try to finish up what we can. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 60. $60. We are going to try to get what we can done. I got a couple prepared for October. We're not going to do our Octobers just yet. Okay. All right, so for right now, I know for sure. Oh my goodness. This one, which is from October, or no, August, I apologize, is going to finish because it just needs $2. So we are going to finish this one off, $2. And it has saved us 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. We're going to go ahead and all right. That is perfect. Because I want the most amount of money that we possibly can to go into this reallocation video. So this is our last monthly stuffing of September, but that is not okay. So we're going to go ahead and finish up our let's go ahead and use our randomizer cards. Okay. So hopefully by the time this video is up, I will have these cards on my Etsy. All right, so we are going to do a D6. All right, and that's a 3. Let's go ahead and do a different one there. A D3. Oh, come on. And a 3. I just want to save the most, the absolute most. Okay. But that is okay. The dice cards spoke. And it is what it is. So for Eva, A Budget Your Life, for her September group play, we saved 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, and 27. Not bad. Because we will see how all these smaller challenges add up to a bigger amount of money. And that is exciting. So I think that is it for our October. So we'll go ahead and start from the beginning. So this one here is, we're going to get a little bit of a jump start on it. It is from Budget with Carly. This is on her coffee shop. And it is the 4th quarter moon phases. I did the 3rd quarter and it saved us over $250 because I did save every single one. So what I am going to do, I'm going to do the big number. I'm not going to necessarily go in order. I'm going to try to knock out the big numbers that I can. So I had an extra $15 I put in here, but we're going to get that 29 because I think that is the highest one. So all right, so that is 10, 20, 25. Oh, I can't count, so I'll put that back. 26, 27, 28, and 29. So, and that's what I kind of did with the last one too, is I just did those higher numbers, not necessarily in order, just because when I had more money, I just put in those higher numbers. So, that one is going to be a big saver, I know. All right, so we have the October group play from, or this is not a group play. Maybe. I don't remember. Anyways, this is the October from Kimmy's Corner. We'll go ahead and have our dice cards. A D20. Oh, Lord. This might be bad. 14. Woo! Girl. Oh, my gosh. Okay, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. All right. That's gonna be that's gonna be it. All right, and this next one here is from Rainy Day April. This is on her coffee membership. We're gonna go ahead and roll or scratch one. All right, so we got a 4. We will put $1 back. Oh, D4. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna get a D4. Let's see. 4. All right, so far this has saved us 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, and so we have another one of these I Love Sam's Club. All right, we're gonna go ahead and use the dice cards. Oh, a 12. Okay. This might be a mistake because we don't have too much money left, but it's okay. All right, that is a 5. Perfect. I like it. All right, and that is all we're gonna do on this one for right now. So far we have 10, 15, 16, and 17. If I do a smaller one, we'll be able to finish it up. Oh, yes, we need to do this one. All right. This one is a D4. So, okay, we have 1, 2, and then a 4. Put 1 back, and we'll take a 5. We'll go one more time. A 4. Okay. This one, unfortunately, we will not be able to finish because that is all the money we have. Perfect. So we should be able to finish this one next week. This one is from Enchanted Toadstool Budgets. And this one has saved us so far 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So this one should save us 40 altogether. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and get that situated. Okay, and then we have all of these challenges that we finished today. That is exciting. All right, and that is it for us today. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.